In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and explore a project in Asana using a sprint planning template. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and then head over to your homepage. This is your main hub where you'll see recent projects and quick actions. From here, look towards the area where Asana lets you start something new and click on the highlighted option that opens the project creation menu. In that menu, select New Project. This is where you tell Asana what kind of project you want to set up. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to use one of Asana's built-in templates, which saves time and gives you a good structure right away. To access more template options, click on More. You'll see different categories of templates. Choose Product and Engineering. This category includes templates tailored for development teams, including sprint planning, which is perfect if you're working in an agile environment. Now, from the Product and Engineering templates, locate the Sprint Planning template and click on the highlighted option to open its details. When you're ready, click Use Template. Asana will now ask you where you want this project to live. Select My Workspace, so the project is created in your current workspace. If you see My Workspace more than once or have multiple options, just confirm you're picking the main workspace you actively use. Once that's set, click on Create Project. Asana will generate your new project based on the sprint planning layout. After the project loads, you'll land on one of the main views. At the top, there's a row of tabs that control how you see your tasks. Click on the highlighted tab to reveal the different view options. Choose List if you want a simple spreadsheet-style view of all tasks. Then switch over to Board to see your work organized in columns, which is great for Kanban-style workflows. Next, click on Timeline. This view shows your tasks along a calendar-style timeline, so you can understand dependencies and overall scheduling. Within the timeline, you'll notice a few highlighted elements. Click through them to get familiar with how tasks appear and how the timeline can be adjusted. From there, explore the remaining tabs one by one. Click Dashboard to see visual charts and metrics about your project. Then go to Calendar to view tasks by due date. Open Workflow to see and refine automation and rules for your project. Click Messages to manage project communication and Files to see all attachments in one place. Finally, return to Overview to see the high-level summary of your new sprint planning project.